What's up, guys? It's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky, and my roadie here. And today I want to talk about something that I hear time and time again from business owners when I talk to them about retaining sales guys. And one of the most common problems that I hear from you guys as business owners is, Becca, these guys don't get it. I am struggling to find the right salesmen, like the guys that can just get up and go and they can pick it up, and I'm doing everything I can. Like, I sell easy $1 million a year in my sleep, and I hire these guys, I show them exactly what I do, and they still don't seem to get it. I just can't figure out where to find like people like me. And I always laugh at that because, you guys, it takes a real freak of nature to just figure out the roof sales thing, like from scratch, off the top of your head, right? The people like you and me that just somehow miraculously like made it in this industry are diamonds in the rough, right? We're not just like, you can't come pluck the people who just figure it out off of trees like apples, all right? We're not like that. Most people are not like that. They need help learning something, and once they learn it, they can do really well. So let me put this into perspective for you. Most of you guys don't have any training at all, and the only training that you have is literally watch and learn, job shadowing, ride along, learn as you go. So you're taking your guy that you just hired, and you're like, all right, saddle up, partner. Let's go knock doors, listen to me, record it on your phone, and then go get them. Here's a stack of contracts. It's a numbers game. You'll figure it out. And then you try to take them by the hand, and they try to do that for a couple weeks, and then they drop off like flies. And then you're like, guy wasn't cut out for the job. Okay. Or the other thing that I see happening, another type of training, you feel like you're giving them training, but you're not when you do this. You bring them into your office for the first week or so, and you teach them how to read insurance paperwork, and you teach them about shingles and felt and roofing materials, and you show them how to write an estimate, and you teach them how to measure a roof, and you spend all this time on technical stuff, and then they go out and they try to knock doors, they can't do that, and they quit. So we wasted all that time teaching technical knowledge when they don't need to know anything about shingles if they can't knock a door and get an appointment, because they're not going to have any shingles to estimate. Okay, so that's another problem, but that's kind of a different vein. So let me put this into perspective for you guys. Imagine this. If you're listening to this right now, 85% chance you're a guy. And if you're a lady, you can just laugh along with this. You're a dude. I'm guessing you've probably not ever in your life, maybe once or twice, and maybe in secret, you've probably never put on makeup. Look at my face right now. Look at how many things I have going on at this moment. Lipstick, my brows are on fleek. Let's talk about it. Lashes, I've got this nice winged eyeliner. My face is sparkling. Okay, there's a lot of stuff going on here. And you're a guy, you've never applied makeup before, and you certainly haven't applied makeup the way that I do, because I'm the only one that applies makeup the way that I do. So what I do to you is I say, hey, Craig, welcome to the team. I'm gonna have you do my makeup, and just pay attention. I'm gonna do it for you exactly the way that I do it. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing while I do it, and then you can do it too. So I sit there and I start, and I take this particular brush out of 12 different brushes that I have, and I pick this particular foundation, and I brush it on, and I swirl it all over my face, and then I take this translucent powder with a different brush, and then I brush that on my face, which makes me look like white as a ghost sometimes. It's fine. And then I'm taking a different brush yet, and I'm taking a highlighter, and I'm putting it just on my cheekbones, and I'm doing that. But then I take my pinky and I put some more highlighter, and then I put it under my brows so my brow bones are sparkly. And then I'm gonna take a different brush entirely, and I'm gonna dip it in this other makeup that I'm putting, and I just stroke on tiny to make my brows look great. And then I'm doing this, and then I'm doing this, and then I'm doing this 40 steps later, and then I go, got it? Cool. Here's my makeup bag. Do my makeup for me. I'm tired. Or I say, here, go do makeup like exactly like that. Are you going to be able to do that? Be honest. Hell no. I would never trust you with this face if those were the instructions that I gave you and then let you loose. And so how fair would it be if that's what I did my makeup for you in front of you, and then I said, that's exactly how I do it. It'll be perfect if you do it just that way. And then I say, go ahead and try. And then when you try and you totally mess it up and I look like a street worker, okay? Let's say that I look like the Joker from Batman, and then I tell you, well, I guess you just weren't cut out to be a makeup artist. No, that's bullshit, okay? That makes no sense. That's not fair to say. And so think about it. When we're talking about roof sales and we're trying to teach people how to sell roofs, it's more complicated than my makeup routine that I just tried to teach you, right? It's like, here, this is how you knock doors. Here's when you do it. This is what you say. If a customer says this, though, you say this. Here's how you look. This is what you write on the business card when you leave it. If they say this, you have to do that. And then you're going to come back and you're going to use this contract after you do an inspection. And here's where you want to put your ladder. And then when you go up, this is what you're looking for. And here's how you do a test square. These are the type of pictures you need to take. Okay. This is what this part of the roof is called. These are the eaves. These are the rakes. This is this. This is that. Okay. And then if there's damage, you're going to come down. Here's how you're going to talk to the customer. You're going to take this contract. You're going to sit down with them. You're going to say blah, 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 20 minutes of sales jargon or 30 minutes of sales jargon that supposedly they're just going to somehow remember. Okay, then after that, here's the closing question, and you're going to hand them the pen, but then be quiet until they say something. And then if they sign, you want to leave them this copy, and then you're going to instruct them to leave, call their insurance company and get a claim number and do this. And then after that, you're going to meet the adjuster on the blah, 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 blah. And then you let them, that's what you're doing. You're just word vomiting at them. And then you're like, go get them, tiger. And then when they're like super overwhelmed and they just want to die because they're like, I have no idea what's going on. There's so much going on. You say to them, well, I guess you just weren't cut out for the job. Don't know why people can't figure it out. I taught them exactly what to do. Well, try to do my brows and eyeliner just like this and then come back and tell me that I showed you exactly what to do. It's not fair. All right? That's why your salesmen are not making it. Listen, selling roofs is not hard. It is easy, actually. It's very, very simple. Anybody can do it. You and I both know that. But if you're not giving them the recipe, the step-by-step recipe in a manner in which they can comprehend and apply it, okay? In other words, a legitimate training process, they can't figure it out on their own unless they're a freak of nature, unless they're that diamond in the rough. And I'm telling you what, I know it would be nice for us to just be able to find those diamonds in the rough and build a sales team off of it, but if that's what you're trying to lean on, that's the method you're trying to rely on to build a team, you can't scale your business that way. You can't scale your business on luck of the draw. Oh man, I was really lucky I found this diamond in the rough. And it doesn't work like that. So, I have done the work for you. I have poured my blood, sweat, and tears into a bomb new hires training. It's a repeatable turnkey training system. In 5 days, you'll have your guys launched out the door. It's going to dramatically reduce the amount of time you're spending training in quotes, right? Training, okay. It's going to increase your salesman retention, and you can repeat it. It's repeatable, okay? Let me help you. You guys, if you're a business owner, your business is your sales guys. They're the ones that create your business. So invest a little bit of money into your business so that you have a sales team that kicks ass. Selling roofs isn't hard. It's a shame that so many people try to enter the industry and then have to quit and take a shitty job somewhere making $37,000 a year simply because they couldn't get trained right. That's on you, business owners. It's your responsibility to make sure they have what they need. So, that's all for now. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. www.roofsalesmastery.com is the website. You can go and check out the new hires training there. And that's it for now. Good luck practicing the eyeliner and the lipstick. Let me see your results. Okay, bye guys.